Yay! Finally, we're here. We're going to visit Giselle, her new clinic, Lumar. Let's go! Hello! Oh my God! Congratulations!
Thank you for the visit.
Yeah, oh, ang ganda naman ng clinic.
Uy, thank you, Lord. Thank you. Nag-abala ka pa.
Yes, alagaan mo yun, ha?
Oo. Saan kaya ito maganda ilagay? Sa reception.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you,
Okay.
Lito.
So, show us your clinic, Giselle.
Actually, Lord, hindi pa tapos yung clinic ko, pero nag-open na kami kasi nga ang daming demand.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
Of
hindi
course.
natin gusto sila ipa-delay. Ayaw nating ipabitin yung mga clients. Kahit pa
Yes.
paano, nakapag-ready naman na tayo. However, meron pa tayong mga kulang na mga kagamitan. Pero,
But I
sabi
think say na
nila,
almost
yeah.
done ka na, di ba?
Oh, yan, may bed na kami, meron kami consultation, and this is our skin analyzer.
Alright.
Yeah. Alam mo kasi dito, Lors, makikita dito yung skin mo talaga, yung kung gaano ka, kunyari, may mga
Oily,
concerns
ganon,
mo.
oo.
Yes, wrinkles.
Wrinkles,
Yeah,
marami tayo niyan.
pigmentation. Yung pigmentation,
Okay.
Lors, kasi makikita talaga dyan. Mamaya itatry ko to sa'yo.
I-analyze
Yes,
talaga
it will
what's
take
needed
like
to be
40
done.
minutes to do the consultation with this skin analyzer. Pero game changer. Why?
Wow.
Kasi at least alam mo kung ano ang
Needed.
need mo. Yung hindi mo pupunta ka blindly, okay, can I do some treatments? Hindi mo alam anong gagawin, hindi mo alam ano yung dapat concerns mo. Kunyari, ang concern mo, wrinkles, pero meron palang pigmentation because everything you see outside is just the tip of the iceberg.
Yes.
So, yan.
Ibig sabihin pala dyan,
Ah.
meron bang dada na Titanic dyan?
Oh, yeah. May barko.
Diba?
Tsaka maganda siya, Lors, dahil if ever, kunyari, nagawa mo na yung treatment, right? So, after mo magawa ng treatment, gaganito ulit tayo, consultation ulit.
And check
And
ulit.
yes, kung
What's
meron bang
kaya?
difference. Like, meron bang nabago sa skin barrier mo? Alam mo yun, ano ba siya? Nag-improve ba siya? Or naging worse? Hindi naman mag-worse. Kasi gagawin nga natin ng treatment.
Yes.
So, yan. Ito talaga game changer. Kaya, thank you for DB Milano for the skin
Wow.
analyzer.
Ganon
Yes.
pala yun.
It is very advanced. 7 years madidetect kung ano ang magiging problema mo if you will not
In the
take care of your
future.
skin. Yes. Yes. Halika dito. Look at this. So, this is my bed. Actually, hindi pa kami prepared talaga sa bed, but at least for now, ito na yung bed namin. And yeah, this is
Maganda.
Yeah. Automated siya, Lors. Kahit pa paano, comfortable yung client natin, di ba? So, this is actually ma-up and down mo like the hospital.
Yes. Yes.
So, yan. And, so yung head part din, nabababa, na tataas, para naman comfortable yung
Yes.
therapist at saka yung client. And this is my favorite. Look at this. So this is saddle chair.
Oh.
Actually, sabi nila,
Yeah.
yes, ang tawag daw dito, ergonomic chair. Yeah.
Oo
upo
nga,
ka.
no?
Yes. So,
So, parang nangangabayo dito.
yeah.
Because when you're...
yeah.
Okay.
Yung
So,
afford
for
ng
example,
track mo,
nandito
talagang
ka,
ano.
may client ka. Oh my
Yes.
God, like pagka yung... Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Talagang
Galing,
ano
ah.
siya, yeah. Maano mo talaga siya. Yung likod mo may proper support. At saka yung legs mo well spread. At saka meron kang proper hold or meron kang proper grip sa
Iba na
floor.
talaga ang technology.
Yeah, it's really, really good. Yung
And
ibang machine namin, coming pa.
Coming,
yeah.
okay.
So, ito yung sunflowers are still here. Ito yung sa opening, binigay ng mga
Friends.
supporters natin. Pero marami na din ako natapon kasi nalanta. It's been a week, more than a week, yeah. And ito yung napanalunan natin, no? So remember?
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, during Paddy's
Best
Day,
float.
yeah,
Yes.
we won the best float party. Thank you, everyone. This is all for you. Dito lang naka-display sa clinic.
Yes.
So this is pure crystal from Waterford. Ah,
Yes,
very nice.
Yeah,
Yes.
kung sinong gustong tumingin,
Oo.
andito lang.
Andito lang, himas-himas.
Himas-himas.
Thank you so much, guys. Dahil sa inyo, shout out to that to the people who especially, perform during the event and who lead the event. So, dito yun sila.
Ito pala yung mga pag-good luck na cards, ha?
Oo, ang daming nagbigay, I was so, including you, may flowers ka din. So, yung mga, alam mo yung mga cards, talagang ang mga greetings nila. And even our priest, sa chapel namin, yung city priest namin, talagang pumunta siya, nag-bless siya sa area, sa clinic, and then he gave us something, for us to, yung holy water, at saka yung parang ornament. So, pampaswerte. Yeah. And dito yung mga nakalagay muna yung mga supplement. So, hindi naman supplements, yung mga supplies, yeah? Yung mga skincare natin dito. So, Lumar Clinic is actually meron kaming tie-up kami, stockist kami sa 3 brands.
Okay.
So we're so proud of that. So that is DB Milano, they're number 1 in Italy. Yes. Yeah, they're very advanced in skincare. And number 2 is yung Dermalogica. So they're very good as well in
I
chemical
always
peels.
see that.
Yes, because they're actually, yung mga chemical peels nila are very top of the line. Talagang you will see good results in it.
Okay.
And number 3, I'm so proud, meron tayong Asian na skincare, and that is from Korea, all organic. Yes, all organic.
Wow.
Yeah, and that is Storiderm. Yeah. Sounds familiar kasi nagbebenta ako ng Beauty Derm, di ba?
Yes, oo.
Storiderm is actually from Korea. Meron silang, ang ina-advance kasi nila yung skincare talaga nila, and they're very one of the, advanced.
And especially we know na mga Filipinos, we like
So,
Korean product.
Yeah, because actually, yung Asian
Skin.
Asian skin kasi is talagang
Mas compatible tayo sa
meron
kanila.
tayong suitable skincare for it. Like if we want to have really a good glowing skin, glass skin, yung mga ganon. Like we can achieve like talagang maraming skincare out there sa market. Pero I can say that this Storiderm is one of the game changer talaga. Yeah. And I'm really proud to have it in the clinic. So we're not only stockists, we're also providing it in our treatments sa mga facials natin. Yeah, so I'm so proud. Kaya dami nag-avail
Exciting.
Meron dami nag-avail actually, and they're very happy with it. Yeah. Yung ibang mga mga machines, they're still coming. Yeah. So for now, meron tayong pang hydro facial, and meron tayong yung golden RF natin.
RF. So
yeah,
yun na yung
radio frequency.
tightening,
Yes.
and
And lifting. Yes. At saka, hindi lang yun. Actually, it promotes collagen production. As you know, it helps plumps our skin. So, yung mga tip, as you can see, these are gold.
Wow.
Yeah, totoong gold yan. So, ang gold, alam mo naman, talagang hindi siya nagkakos ng reaction sa skin natin. Like 99.9%. At saka self-cleansing din siya. So you really don't have to always, we do sanitize our things, but hindi siya yung nag-accumulate ng mga germ at saka nag-propagate ng mga bacteria or whatever. So they're safe. Their skin are safe with us. So yeah,
Pwede ring isangla, di ba?
Pwede ring isangla.
Why not?
O, diba? Pwede ng bulsa.
Bulsa, di ba?
O, diba? O, sa'yo na to, pamana ko.
Yan na,
Para sa'yo. So, yeah. Yes. Have you seen our logo? Napakaganda ng logo. Pasensya na kasi, we still looking for the, alam mo yung drop light?
Yes.
Yeah, spotlight. Kasi
Ang ganda.
Yeah.
And hand-painted ko ni Lloyd. Well done, Lloyd. Ang galing.
Yeah, I'm so proud. Si Lloyd ang nag-paint ito. Lloyd of Wexford. Sila ni Miles talaga hanggang 2 a.m. Andito pa kami, 4 a.m. So, hand-painted, naka-measure talaga
Pacing
ito.
is perfect.
And yeah, hinahanap pa namin talaga yung proper spotlight. Yung, alam mo yung battery operated. So kung sino nakakaalam dyan, please tell us where to buy it.
Galing.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Yeah, and then Grace also help us for the paneling. So ang daming tumulong, Lord. Ang daming
barangay, syempre, ikaw pa.
Shout out, walang bayad yun, girls.
Yan ang ibig sabihin ng ano bang tawag sa atin pagka yung
Bayanihan.
Bayanihan.
Diba? So, talaga ang daming tumulong. Like, I
Syempre,
couldn't
pa, sabi
imagine
mo nga, takot sila sa
Oh,
matutulis na siya.
sapatos pa lang, oh. Di ba?
Ito pinag-iinitan
Yan.
nito. Diba? Ito na.
Oh.
Ito na yun.
Huwag kang lalapit.
Wala na lapit. Oh.
Okay.
Tapos
Galing.
yung toilet namin, dito na din same level at saka yung kitchen. So, we're okay here. Like, yan.